Our next objective is list the objectives of succession planning. So here are the following objectives of succession planning. Number 1 is understanding the organization's long-term goals and objectives. Number 2, identifying positions that are critical to the enterprise. Number 3, identifying and developing successors for critical positions. Number 4, determining workforce trends and predictions of command and how it changed for key departments and senior personnel. Let us now take a look at succession planning illustration. Let's begin with supply analysis, workforce analysis and trends, employee competencies, workforce demographics, current workload analysis. Next is demand analysis, which includes workforce knowledge, skills and abilities to meet projected need, staffing patterns, anticipated programs and workload changes. This leads to gap analysis, which includes comparison of future workforce competencies with future needs, analysis of how workforce demographics will change, identifying areas in which management action will be needed to reach workforce objectives, which leads to solution analysis, which looks after planning workforce transition, employee development and retraining, changes in staffing patterns. Let us take a look at effective succession planning. The following are a few key points to be followed for an effective and successful succession planning. Laying out a detailed implementation plan from the beginning, identify budget and resources required, involvement and buy-in from the top management, program managers, and human resource managers, availability of accurate input data. Linkage of plan to other planning processes. HR serves in a consulting role but management owns the process. Employee involvement, good communication and marketing. Replacement management. Replacement management is the process of ensuring that pools of skilled employees are trained and available to meet the strategic objectives of the organization. It follows a process for finding employees for key managerial positions. Let us now take a look at purpose of replacement management. It takes care of long-term succession. It helps to provide the training and work experience to enable individuals to assume higher-level job appointments in the future. It takes care of short-term emergency replacement. It helps to replace individuals who have quit, individuals who have been terminated due to performance issues or have died, etc. It also improves effectively filling vacancies. Succession management is the process of finding replacement employees for key managerial positions. Replacement planning has evolved into succession management by broadening the focus, expanding the time horizon, creating a talent pool, improving the evaluation system. It provides opportunities for high potentials. It identifies replacement needs, contributes to implementing strategic business plans, helps individuals realize their career plans, taps the potential for intellectual capital, and encourages the advancement of diverse groups. Here are some more reasons for succession management. It helps in coping with the effects of voluntary separation programs, decides which workers can be terminated. It helps you to cope with the effects of downsizing, also helps you to reduce headcount to essentially strategically important jobs only, helps you increase the talent pool of promotable employees. Let us now take a look at the process of succession management. Align succession management plans with strategy. Identify the skills and competencies needed to meet strategic objectives. Identify high potential employees. Provide developmental opportunities and experiences. Monitor succession management.